Alam mo, yung report na yun was just really a bit malicious. Ano mo, sinasabi mo doon ng naninigarilyo eh. Those are violations of law, penal sanctions. Yun lang naman. But I'd like to say something. Eh, sabi nga ni Mark, pupunta ka ng Davao, may makita ka ng Cebu. You know, this is a very porous country. And we are not a fascistic nation. We do not confront people in public. Kaya sinabi niya may Cebu sa Davao, pati sabi ko sa Maynila. So 1 week after, there was a raid. Dito sa Davao, pati dito sa Maynila. Look what happened. Yung doon sa Malabon, nakita, hinuli, buhay. Yung akon sa Davao nahuli, patay, 4. I said, I wipe out, I'm still wiping out. Ako, sabi mo, how can I do it in 3 to 6 months? Well, ibahin mo ako sa